You are welcome to today's session. So today we have this question on the board to solve. The question says that cos x is equal to 5 over 13. Find tan x and sin x. This is like a 2-in-1 question. Okay. So now how do we go about with it? First of all, whenever you have a question like this, what you need to know is what cos is equal to, what sine is equal to, and what tan is equal to. So this abbreviation will help you to know what they are equal to. So you have what you call so ka twa. All right. Now the s is sine. It means that sine x. I'm using x because that is what the angle is representing. But in some cases you may see theta. What if the O is representing opposite, H is hypotenuse. All right. The ka is the cos x. So in this case, cos x equal to adjacent the A, and the H is hypotenuse, and the twa, which is tan x, is equal to opposite over the adjacent. So what it means is that whenever you have a question like this, this is what these basic trig actually what represents. So how do we go about with it? What you are supposed to do is that here the cos x is equal to, cos is adjacent and over what hypotenuse. What it means is that we have our adjacent, we have our hypotenuse, but we don't have the opposite. But it is the whole opposite that will help you to find sine, because you have the hypotenuse already. It is the opposite that will help you to find the tan, because you have the adjacent already. So how do we go about with it? Let's draw our diagram. Okay, now this is your 90 degrees. You have your angle here as x. This becomes the opposite. All right, this is the hypotenuse, and this will be the adjacent. Okay, now the question said that cos x is equal to, that is 5. So that means that this is adjacent 5. Here hypotenuse, which is 13. Now we need to get the opposite. So let's say that this side is m. Now here you're going to use what you call Pythagoras Theorem. And the principle of Pythagoras Theorem is saying that the square of the hypotenuse in this case is 13. Square should be equal to the square of the opposite, which is m, we don't know, plus the square of the adjacent, which this case is this. So this square, there's 13 square, will give you 13 times 13, which is 169. All right, equal to m squared. And this side, what do you have? 5 times 5, that is 25. So it will move to this side. 169 minus 25 equal to m squared. When you deduct, that one is going to give you, that is 144 m squared. You take square root for both sides, and you have m to be equal to what? That is 12. Meaning that this side is 12. So here the question is saying that we should find what? Tan theta, or tan x. So tan x will be equal to, tan is opposite over adjacent. Where is the opposite? It's 12 over what? Adjacent, which is 5. You are done. And here you have sine. Sine x will be equal to, what is sine? Opposite over hypotenuse. So what is the opposite? It's 12. And what was the hypotenuse? 13.